Okay, so hopefully you guys are seeing this, but when you go into your gallery, so you will be able to go in and here are some options. You're going to be able to start with either a blank clip or you'll be able to add in video clips. Then you'll be able to go in and add your video clips or your photos. I did a short one. Okay, so here you can expand your timeline and you can see the audio waves here happening. And so you just use your fingers and expand out, and then you will be able to scroll along the bottom to see your options. So you're going to be able to see things like, would you like to rearrange, replace, duplicate, and you can make your splits where you want to, and you'll be able to go through and kind of trim that up. You'll also be able to change the volume. So here you go, and you can kind of see what's happening up above. And then the little scissors icon looks like a little butterfly next to the playhead here. They have some filters that you can add. You can add individual filters to smaller parts of the clips, not the entire thing. So if you want to go suddenly to black and white or something like that, you certainly can do that. And then you can go into the effects here and you can see all kinds of different things if you want to look like liquefied or kind of like split it up. There's some really cool stuff in here. And then you can also go into here, I'm showing you what I did. Adding text. They have plain text and text effects. So as you go through, you can see all these different types of ways to use titles. I, of course, use coffee. If I have any channel members, can you, I don't know if we still have a coffee emote, but put it out there. But I put it in test, and then you can, once you actually have it, you can select where on the timeline it goes. So you can scooch the text box to the left, to the right, wherever you want. There you go. I thought it looked like the coffee was taking a hot tub. So I just want to share that with you. Not that you asked. And so as you're going in through here, you'll be able to show different little text effects as well. Now you're starting to see the layers on top of each other, which is kind of nice. So if you go in there and you start playing, you can do that. Okay, so here you go. You can see they have different animated text, so that makes it kind of nice. And again, you can do 16:9 as well. Here are those stickers, like I said. So I put a bunny on there, and then I wanted to know, can you do layers? Can I do bunnies and the text effect? Then I go in here and I see music, and I was like, oh, I probably need some sort of ambient music for, I don't know, like a spa scene. I was almost going for something like that. So I just chose the first one that came up. But you could use it. It's coming from the YouTube Music Library. One thing it does is analyzes the beat. So you can go in here and then you can see the sound waves. So if you were someone who was trying to edit on a beat, you see those peaks and you could create cuts there and insert different clips or do something else like that. But I thought that was kind of a nice little feature. So as you're going through here, you can export. And you can choose the aspect ratio, widescreen, 1:1 or 9:16. And then if you export, you can only do 1080p, even though it was a 4K clip, I'm pretty sure. But it exports and saves to the camera roll. And then they have the option from here to upload directly as a YouTube short, or you could share it. So I thought that was kind of interesting. So you could upload as a YouTube short. I usually set the visibility as private if you want to go in and add any of the rest of the stuff that you would normally do. So there's all of that information, but yeah, I uploaded it. There it is. It's the first short that I created. It's currently private right now, but that is how you do it.